My name is Tim and I work for TJK Logistics Ltd. I look after the IT side of the business. We have over 20 years combined experience in bin distribution industry. We've distributed all over the British Isles, anywhere from one item up to 250,000 items. We can distribute items from an individual bin, kitchen caddy, recycling box, bags, leaflets posted through the door, from 1 to 14 items per household, direct to residence doors. We distribute anywhere from the north coast of Scotland to the south coast of Cornwall, everywhere in between. The recent job we've had is in the district of Tandridge. We had 3 4-man crews up there working with the council guides, distributing recycling containment direct to households.
We invited prices from several contractors. TJK came in with the sharpest pencil and they're delivering the service as we speak. We're rolling out something like 35,000 wheeled bins and food caddies for our residents.
We pick up the containment which is delivered direct into the council depot. We load the vehicles accordingly and then take the containment out and deliver to households depending on their requirement. We tend to work 5.5 days a week, come rain or snow. We've distributed in the Highlands in snowy conditions where all the council crews couldn't leave the depot. We still had distribution crews out.
They're very diligent in making sure that they deliver the containers to the correct properties, not too many containers or not too few.
We're able to offer a RFID fitting and chipping service whereby we can retrofit chips to waste containers already in the field, scan the information to give the customer a database of RFID chip numbers versus properties. And this can be used for bin identification, bin weighing systems and a whole host of other information. We get involved from the very outset of the job to help plan the distribution, from liaising with the council on the correct choice of bin down to the actual distribution on ground level, and then ultimately the collection of the refuse bins and recycling items. We operate 3 18-ton box tail lift trucks and a 10-ton box tail lift truck. All have high density beacons, reversing cameras, back chat systems to allow the drivers to talk to the operatives to enable precise and speedy distribution service as safe as possible. TJK Fabrications can fabricate anything, primarily for the waste industry, from single bin holders, wall mounted holders, up to cordons for 1100 litre steel bins. These can be tailored direct for specific customer requirements, with or without signage, anywhere from 1 bin holders up to 12 bin holders. TJK Fabrications also are able to design and fit tow kits to 1100 litre bins, supply and fit lifting frames for stacks of wheel bins, tailored for 1, 2 or 3 stacks, depends on customers' requirements. We also have an in-house team who are able to fit new tail lifts to existing vehicles. At TJK we have a really dedicated team working in the office whose sole objective is to meet customer demands.
Happy to recommend TJK to other users as well.
TJK Logistics for all your waste management needs.